In this movie, I'll show you how to format zip code data in Excel. In this table, I have two columns. In column A, I have the city, and in column B, I have a zip code. The person who created this table wanted to maintain that leading 0. So they inserted a tiny apostrophe upstairs. That's one way people will keep a leading 0. That is not efficient use of the Excel tool. The current formatting for the cell and everything in this column is a general. So what we want to do is change the formatting so that it will maintain the leading 0 and we can eliminate that little apostrophe and everything will behave the same. Let's see how to do this. First, turn it into a table. I do that by clicking anywhere here in that table, go up to the tab that says Insert, select Table, and indicate that your table has headers and say OK. And we have our table made. And it has maintained those carets, which give us the opportunity to sort. And I'm going to keep those. Before we change that apostrophe, I'm going to change the format of these numbers. To do that, I will click on the B column header, right click, and then come down to Format Cells. In Format Cells, I'll come down to the category that says Special. And then I can do zip code +4. I could even do phone number and social security, but we'll just do zip code for now. And that means everything has changed to a zip code format. However, this hasn't changed its appearance. That's because it still has that little tiny apostrophe. So I'm going to click up there and remove that apostrophe, and it aligns up with everybody else in the column. That's how you can convert a number formatted zip code into a format that recognizes the zip code structure.